Today's TMJ4, and today, Jesse, is the Milwaukee Kick Bowl.
The Kick Bowl?
The Kick Bowl. It is the winter kickball tournament put on by Milwaukee County Parks. It is at West Milwaukee Park on Burnham.
Good deal.
That? And you got a winter. Oh, go ahead.
No, I was going to say, and you got the Arctic tailgate today, right?
That is going on right now.
The car show?
Miller Park, the car show going on.
A whole lot going on. A lot of people enjoying really the snow that we had yesterday. This is Cameron in Waukesha sending in this picture of the fort they built out there. Also the little ones.
Wow, that's either a little guy or a big snowman, or maybe a little bit of both going on.
A little bit. And that's Charlie in Waukesha as well. So a lot of folks enjoying the snow that we got yesterday. Most of us picked up about 3 to 5 inches. Right now, still dealing with that storm system that brought us the 3 to 5 inches of snow. And you can see that band of white. Yeah, that is some very light snow. A few flurries flying right now in portions of Fond du Lac County, Washington County, Sheboygan County. This is still just some leftover moisture from that area of low pressure that brought us yesterday's snow. So we're still dealing with kind of the impact of that storm system from yesterday. Eventually this will swing through, but that's going to keep us really stuck in the cloud cover today and really bring a chance for a few light snow showers later on throughout the middle of the day. But we are kind of, it seems like we're making up for the lackluster winter that we've had. Really, December and January didn't have very many days with snow, didn't have very much snow total at all. Just in December, only 5 days of snow, or with snow showers. In January, only 7 days with snow showers. Now, so far into February, we've already had 9 days totaling almost 16 inches of snow. So really kind of making up for what started off as pretty weak winter. Now we're up to almost 28 or 27 inches of snow. Not going to add a whole lot to it today. Any of these flakes and light snow showers that fly, not going to be accumulating to too much. We've just got the cloudy skies expected throughout the rest of the afternoon. Temperatures today a little bit below average, but still 30 degrees shouldn't be bad for Kick Bowl today. 30 degrees, really only about 5 degrees colder than we're supposed to be, though we'll feel a little bit colder because of those winds today from the west southwest. And again, a little bit of that moisture from that low pressure sticks around. Then tonight, high pressure slides on in. That's going to push away the clouds overnight, so decreasing cloud cover tonight. Tomorrow, a lot more sunshine in our forecast. It will be the better day of the weekend, and winds will help bring us up to temperatures closer to seasonable. Then really watching this storm system down to the south. That'll push in on Tuesday, bring some really kind of heavy wet snow to the forecast and could bring a little bit of a wintry mix as well. We'll kind of watch the temperatures with this one. For today though, 30 degrees in Milwaukee, again mostly cloudy skies, a few flurries possible throughout the afternoon hours and a little bit of light snow possible as well. But nothing you're going to need the shovel for, maybe just a little bit of a broom to dust it off. Then for tonight, 18 at the lake, 14 in Waukesha in Waukesha Inland, and temperatures are going to slowly warm up a little bit tomorrow with that sunshine. 33 degrees on your Sunday, and then we're watching again that big storm system to the south that's going to be plowing through, bringing us a good chance for some snow, especially Tuesday. And this one's just going to kind of sit around southeastern Wisconsin. Look at those snow chances. Tuesday all the way through Friday. So we have snow in the forecast, so enjoy tomorrow.
Well,